What's up, everybody? It's Doc Robinson. I'm back again with another video. I was finally able to buy me a bag. It's a little Aqua bag, but not really. I found it for cheap. It's like a little water buoy. But today this is like a little how-to. I'm gonna fix the bag up, get it ready to hit, and I'm gonna show y'all me working on it. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so the setup for this thing is supposed to be fairly easy. All you do is you take a flathead screwdriver and you just undo this little cap. Take that off. Then you're supposed to use this special nozzle that comes with it, connect it to the water hose, and then just start filling it up with water. So mine didn't come with that nozzle, so all I did was I went to Lowe's and I bought a similar piece for like $3, and then I'm gonna just connect it to the water hose and fill it on up. All right, so right now I'm about to take this little cap off. Okay, I see now you could use a Phillips head screwdriver too, if that's all you got. But I think flathead might work a little better. All right. See, that came out pretty easy. All right, now I'm just finna go outside and connect this to the water hose and finna see what it's gonna do. I done filled the bag up to the size that I wanted. And all I did was I found this old chain that I used to have and went to one of my old bags. I'm gonna just put it on here and hang it on one of these little bag racks. Alright, just like that. Ready to be hung up? Alright, y'all, that's that. Pretty simple. I'm about to give me a few rounds in.